In this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube videos in the background on your Android phone. Let's get started. If you want to listen to YouTube while using other apps, or even with your screen off, you'll need to enable a few settings. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then select YouTube. Now look for the picture-in-picture option and make sure it's turned on. This allows videos to play in a small floating window. Next, open the YouTube app. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings. Now tap on General and make sure Picture-in-Picture is enabled here as well. Keep in mind, some features like full background playback may require a YouTube Premium subscription. Once everything is set up, play any video you like. Now press the Home button or swipe up to go to your home screen. The video will continue playing in a small floating window. You can drag this mini player anywhere on your screen or swipe it to the side to hide it. If supported, the audio will continue playing even when your screen is locked. And that's it. That's how you can play YouTube in the background on Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips.